Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is ATN X-Sight Rifle Scope. X-Sight 4K Pro is the newest breakthrough from the company that brought you the digital hunting experience. The X-Sight seamlessly blends in the latest technology with the more traditional scope form to bring you one of the best from both worlds. Powered by a dual-core processor with a low-light 4K sensor, the X-Sight 4K Pro offers unprecedented image performance with the latest smart features that one has come to expect from an ATN scope. The X-Sight 4K looks and feels just like your more traditional optic. Standard mounting rings, long R relief, high resolution and fast viewing. No pixelation when you zoom. Yet underneath the hood it's pure power. Try it, you won't regret the experience. Sends the data to the ballistics calculator via Bluetooth to make all POI adjustments for your reticle. Take advantage of the profile manager of your scope, move it from platform to platform and still retain zero. An extremely powerful, long-range ear illuminator with adjustable mount, that is perfect for hunting and search/rescue use. ATN Power Kit gives you plenty of juice whenever and wherever you need it. Up to 22 hours of continuous use. A built-in ballistics calculator that allows you to set up 6 profiles. Account for range, angle to target, temperature, humidity and more for a perfect shot every time. Number 2 in this best night vision scope list is Sightmark Wraith HD Digital Rifle Scope. Hunt with an advanced 1920 by 1080 HD sensor, providing full color clarity in daytime. Simply hit the left arrow to switch to night mode, with classic emerald or black and white viewing options. Sightmark introduces its new revolutionary and versatile digital rifle scope, the perfect scope for day and nighttime use. The high-resolution Wraith is designed for all hunting applications including hog, predator and even deer. Customize your rifle scope with 10 reticle options and 9 color choices to fit your needs. 4.5 hours of battery life with 4 AA batteries and an external micro USB port expands options for power. Added features include a color mode for daytime shooting, black and white or classic green, and comes with a removable 850 nanometers IR illuminator with a detection range of 200 yards. The Wraith HD includes a powerful 850 nanometers removable IR flashlight allowing for up to an additional 200 yards of detection at night. The Weaver rail on Wraith HD allows you to add additional accessories. Micro USB allows photo/video export and outboard additional power supply. Micro memory card slot memory card allows you to record photo and video and update firmware. Easy menu operation with simple button mapping. The user interface on Wraith HD is extremely easy to follow, so you can make sure everything is dialed in just right. Our third choice is Best Sight DIY Digital Night Vision Scope. Best Sight DIY Night Vision is the outstanding business among the high-performance optics industry. It's a lightweight rear-mounted night vision add-on that allows you to quickly and easily convert your day scope into a state-of-the-art night vision rifle scope for close and long-range hunting day or night. No need to dedicate a rifle to night vision, the Best Sight DIY Night Vision provides a high-tech solution. Simply attach onto the rear of your rifle scope, instantly converting it to night vision. Best Sight camera uses 3MP and 16mm HD lens and imaged by CMOS image sensor. When the image is blurred, the camera can be rotated to adjust the focus until the image is clear. Best Sight IR uses 5 watts 850 nanometers laser IR with a bigger zoom area. Also, IR supports zoom in and out to make a farther view for darkness use. Best Sight uses 5-inch larger LCD screen display with 720p resolution image. Larger display make it more comfortable and clearer for your view in complete darkness. Best Sight camera sleeves can be installed quickly, allowing you to complete the installation within 10 seconds without any tools. Simplest installation and adjustment. Please pay attention to the position of the iron ring and the plastic ring. Fourth pick in this best night vision scope list is ATN Thor 4 Thermal Rifle Scope. The next generation of thermal sensors are here and they are powered by ATN's Obsidian 4 dual core. Higher thermal sensitivity, improved contrasts, near silent shutter, and improved resolution make the new ATN THOR4 Smart Thermal Rifle Scope the sight to own. Easy to use and quick to learn, but with all the features that you have come to expect from an ATN Smart Scope. The THOR4 looks and feels just like your more traditional optic. Standard mounting rings. Long arc relief. Easy to pick up thermal signature of hidden targets and fast viewing. Yet underneath the hood it's pure power. Hunt responsibly by making sure your shot hits the target each and every time. Range, wind, multiple weapon profiles, angle to target, temperature, humidity, plus more. Helps you determine exact ballistics for expert long-range shots. THOR4 not only streams video to your mobile device at HD resolution and can simultaneously record to the SD card inside. Recoil-activated video takes care of all your worries. Just relax and focus on your game and let the Obsidian core do the heavy lifting. Our fifth and last choice is ATN Thor LT Thermal Rifle Scope. If you've ever thought about purchasing a thermal scope, you are probably wondering why they are so expensive. THOR LT series were designed specifically to solve this problem. This thermal scope allows you to focus on what really matters with minimum efforts, keeping things as simple as possible. It detects animal body heat through crops or fog and doesn't require any visible light to produce a sharp image. The possibility to swap scopes between rifles is achieved by perfectly fitting 30mm rings that retain zero while transferred. Quickly attach and enjoy. Lighter than an average scope, so it will make you feel more agile and your rifle balanced. Things that make a difference when you're hunting all night. Sighting in your scope has never been easier. With one shot zero, all you have to do is move the zero reticle to your first point of impact. That's it. Batteries are the Achilles heel of any thermal scope, but not in this case. For THOR LT battery runtime is 10+ hours of continuous use.